I've been actively trading the market for the past 5 years, and believe me when I tell you that I've been through every single thing you've been through, the grind that every single beginner trader goes through. I've used almost every single strategy you can actually think of, every single indicator I could lay my hands on in my bid to become a successful trader. So I had to go through this mill for quite some time before I eventually had an epiphany, realizing that all I had to do to succeed in this game was to focus on the simplest and the most straightforward trading strategies that actually provide me with a high win rate. It has actually impacted how I approach the market, how I view the market, how I trade. And if you've watched every single one of my videos, you realize that every single strategy, every single technique I break down in my trading videos is basically as simple and as straightforward and as easily digestible as they come. Every single thing I'm doing now is based on my experience. So I realize that what every single trader wants is to actually succeed in this game. So in today's video, what we'll be doing is I'll be revealing to you what made it so easy for me to actually start day trading volatile trading instruments like gold, like oil, like US30, Nasdaq, and other indices, and also highly volatile currency pairs as well. What every single trader truly wants is to just come onto the market, find trading opportunities, make their money, and leave. Which is why I like teaching a lot of day trading techniques you need in your arsenal. You're able to approach the market from all angles in every single trading season. As you might have noticed, August is actually one of the most difficult trading months of the year. Yet we've still had a high win rate even when I was on vacation, because basically all I do when I'm trading is focus on the simplest, easiest, most straightforward trading strategies that give you the highest probability on the market. If you're looking for short-term trades on gold, on oil, US30, Nasdaq, any instrument you are very fearful of because of how volatile they are, all I want you to do is to just watch this video. So if you like how that sounds, what I want from you now is to simply like this video, share with as many traders you know as possible, as many beginners you know, as many struggling traders you know as possible. Make sure you leave a comment. Also subscribe to this channel. It's been almost a year since I created this channel, and we've actually eclipsed 12,500 active subscribers. Our next target is actually hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. So what we'll be doing today is based on a trade I took in my community yesterday, making over 140 pips in the process, smashing all our TPs basically in this one. So the very first rule you want to know, the very first thing you want to understand as it pertains to day trading is you're mostly day trading on your lower time frame. Remember that, because if you're day trading, you're simply looking for short-term trades on the market. So you're basically looking for trades which give you a high win rate but also making your money as fast as possible. I did this particular analysis on the 1 hour time frame, as you can clearly see here, and the strategy I actually used for this is my very famous break and retest strategy. If you've watched a lot of my videos, you've seen me talk about this so many times. Anytime the market breaks out of any particular region, any particular zone, any particular key level, waiting for a retest on it allows you to have a higher probability setup. When I talk of a breakout, let's say the market is currently on a key level like this. So let's say you're most likely expecting it to sell when it gets to this particular key level because it represents a particular resistance for you. There are so many instances where the market actually ends up running through the key level wherever you're expecting a reversal to happen. A lot of times it actually comes back to that particular key level again. It coming back to touch on that key level is what we basically call a retest. Our break and retest strategy tells us that we can now find trading opportunities here if our entry criteria is basically what's met. We can take our buy positions in here and then place our stop loss right at the bottom of a range, taking another buy. So what happens is now this particular resistance ends up being a new support. And guys, before we continue, give me a few minutes. Let me tell you about a trading competition which is actually going on, organized by Fastbull. So Fastbull is an emerging force in this particular trading industry. They have one of the finest fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis platforms. They have economic calendar, you have everything on here. But what I want to tell you guys about today is a trading contest which is actually going on. There's actually a demo trading contest. Fund your account with $100,000 demo account and put your trading skills to test. So this is actually a challenge to every single one of you traders out there. All you have to do to qualify is to simply fund your demo account with $100,000. The registration actually started on the 15th of August, so it's actually still in progress. The trading contest is from the 15th of October to the 31st of October. Winner of this particular contest gets to walk away with a cash prize of $10,000. First runner-up, $5,000. Second runner-up, $3,000. So the first 10 highest profitable traders all get to walk away with amazing prizes. Stand a chance to win up to $22,500 from this trading contest. All you need to do to be a part of this is to simply go onto the website of Fastbull and register. So this is how it basically looks like. You can clearly see we have the winner, we have first runner-up and the second runner-up. So you basically go to register now. then you just enter your credentials. So you can basically see all the rules. So you can see how many people have actually already registered for this. All you need to do is to simply take advantage of this and make your money. So you realize that every single one in the top 10 gets to walk away with a cash prize. The rules are also here. Take your time, go through them. This is for anyone who actually has a highly profitable trading system, trading strategy, but doesn't have the funds to, execute. So basically take advantage of this particular challenge. If you believe you have a solid trading edge, put your skills to test by registering on Fastboo. I'm going to leave a link in the pinned comments of this particular video. You can also download the app on your App Store and then your Play Store as well. Let's get back to the video. Now basically, let's go back to the charts and then let me break down this particular trade I took so you know how we're able to milk this 140 pips trading opportunity. My high is here, my low is here. Wait for the market to touch either my high or my low, then I make my trading decision from there. So the trick here is that you can simply click on the horizontal ray you place here, then you come to add alert and you simply add an alert. Do the same for the one at the bottom as well. You can clearly see I already have an alert on the one at the bottom. So if you do this, what it means is that you don't have to be sitting by the chart 24/7 to actually find an opportunity. You can literally even leave your laptop at home, pick just your phone and be able to monitor your trades. Now the market goes to hit our key level, runs through, then comes back to close under. So now we don't have a breakout. So what happens was it started consolidating along there. And after seeing this multiple medium-sized candles, it actually ran out. So we got our breakout, it actually come back to hit it again, which is what we term as a retest. It means we are looking for another trading opportunity with our stop loss right at the bottom of the range. The market has actually tapped onto our key level. So now we are waiting for our confirmation on it. So basically having the patience to wait for this particular confirmation. Then it came right afterwards. This candle, we ended up getting this bullish engulfing on our retest. So what does it mean? We enter on this particular price. You can see with the screenshot, stop loss right at the bottom of the range. Then basically you hold your trades. You can place your TPs wherever you wish for them to be. So my first initial take profit was here. I think my first initial take profit was on this level. Look at how many pips you have, about 20 pips for gold. And then we made over 140 pips. So what basically happened was, now this is what basically happened. It ran through, then it went to hit our final take profit, over 140 pips. You can see screenshots of the results. So this is basically it. Extremely high win rate, easy to understand, easy to use. Anybody can actually trade with this particular trading strategies as long as you have your entry criteria and use it on a higher time frame. You can also use it on a lower time frame. So basically, because I was day trading, I applied this on the 1 hour time frame. Last week I took another trade which I actually applied on the lower time frame, catching over 200 pips. That's going to be in my next video, so watch out for that one as well. But like I said, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, share with as many struggling traders as you know as possible, as many beginner traders you know as possible, anybody you feel will benefit a lot from this particular video. So basically done for the day. It was extremely straightforward. We didn't have to stay in the market for long. We are basically done by noon. All we do is simply come back to the market the next day, find another opportunity with another extremely easy and straightforward strategy to use. So guys, that's basically it. If you like this video, if you wish for me to make more videos like this, what I want from you is to simply like this video. Make sure you like this video, share in the comment section anything you learned from this video. If there's any particular video you want me to also shoot, feel free to type it in the comment section as well. Also make sure you join my trading community on Telegram by simply using the link in the description. Currently I have over 15,400 active traders in there. Also make sure you click the link in the description to sign up with my recommended broker with the best trading conditions, tightest spreads, instant deposits and withdrawals, as well as 24/7 customer service. You can also keep up with me on my socials: KOMMONFOREX on Telegram, KOMMONFOREX on Instagram, KOMMONFOREX on X, KOMMONFOREX on TikTok, KOMMONFOREX on Facebook. So thank you for joining me in this one. As always, I'm KOMMONFOREX, and I hope I left you better than I found you. See you all in the next one.